Here's proof of my $62 withdrawal. As you can see, the platform is legit and reliable. Now, let's dive into the setup process so you can get started today. Have you ever thought about earning money online with just a small investment? Imagine turning $50 into daily profits and the potential to increase your income with consistent effort. Today, I'll show you a simple side hustle that can help you earn $1 to $2 daily. No prior experience needed. Stick around because this could be a game changer for your financial goals. The platform we'll discuss today is called Treasure NFT. It's a verified and licensed NFT project, established in 2021, with a proven track record. In fact, Treasure NFT has an official MSB license from Canada, which ensures your investment is safe and secure. But how does it work? Let's break it down step by step. Treasure NFT revolves around buying, holding, and reselling NFTs. Every 24 hours, you'll earn an NFT through a simple task, which you can then resell for a profit. Your daily earnings depend on your initial investment. For instance, with a $50 investment, you can earn up to $1 daily. Higher investments yield higher profits. Plus, if you build a team, your earnings will grow exponentially. One step. Click the link in the description and sign up using your Gmail and my invite code. Two-step, download the Treasure NFT app from the Play Store and log in using the same Gmail and password. Three-step, verify your account by enabling Google authentication in the app's settings. Four-step, deposit funds. Go to the Assets section, click Deposit, and transfer at least $50 via Binance or any crypto exchange. Five-step, earn NFTs daily. Open the app daily and click Reserve. Confirm your NFT and click Collected. Resell the NFT in-app to make a profit. Six-step, withdraw earnings. Attach your wallet address in the Assets section. Withdraw your profits, minimum $50 withdrawal, but always keep a $50 balance in your account to keep earning. To maximize your profits, start small with $50 to $100 to test the system. Build a team by inviting friends and family. Stay consistent. Log in every day to complete the simple tasks. The more you invest and the more effort you put in, the higher your earnings will be. Are you ready to turn your spare time into real profits? Click the link in the description, follow the steps, and start earning today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas that actually work. Let's grow together.